Hey man, real quick, with the new constitutional carry laws in the state, are there any firearms in the vehicle?
It's March 3rd, 2023, and Officer Sprague has his spidey sense through the roof on what should be a routine traffic stop. No one could have expected what would happen over the next 2 hours.
Okay. All right, man. One thing real quick, you said there's an open container in the back? Okay. So I do see the bottle, what was that, Patron? In the back seat. What's up?
That's basically like what
is that what it is? Okay. All right, man. Not a big deal. You know.
I ain't drunk though or none of that though.
Hey, man. I ain't going down that road, okay?
All right.
But with an open container, I am gonna have you take a step out of the car real quick. All right. Just so we can conduct our business. As long as everything's cool, man. I got no problem.
Great, bro.
I got no problem just putting the bottles in the trunk and letting you go with a warning. All right. But for right now, I am gonna have you take a step out, especially with this bad weather and people flying down this street. Okay. Again, I know I already asked. No weapons in the car or on your person right now.
Hey.
If it's a no, it's a no. If it's a yes, you can tell me and then we can work through it.
No, I'm just saying no.
Okay. All right. Cool, man.
Hey, man, can you call Micah, man?
So
my tag's good, everything good, my license is great. You can run my name and everything, bro.
That's cool, man. But listen, with the open container, that gives me probable cause to search the vehicle.
Nothing to do with that ain't got nothing to do with me. I'm not drunk.
I didn't say you're drunk, but it's you're in possession of an open container of alcohol while operating a motor vehicle. Like I said, it's not a big deal. It's a misdemeanor, man. So I am going to have you take a step out.
All right. Well, I'll take the ticket, though, man. I'll take the ticket, though.
Okay, but I need you to understand something, Mr. Whiteside. You still have to get out of the car.
What are you saying, bro? Because I'm talking to the officer and I'm talking to you at the same time.
Why don't you hang up the phone, man?
No, it's safe, bro.
Oh, okay. Well, you're safe. Nothing is going to happen to you. But I do need you to cooperate, all right? Now, I've asked you several times now to exit the vehicle, all right? Those have all been requests. I'm now going to order you to get out of the car.
You going to order me to get out the car?
Yeah, you don't have a choice.
What's the protocol, bro?
Like I already told you, man, I have probable cause to search the vehicle, all right? So to do so, you
bro, what's the protocol, bro?
The protocols, we're just going to have you get out of the car. It's okay. Listen, man, we can work through this. I promise you, man, if you're cool with us, and you can be on your way here in about 2 or 3 minutes. I promise you. That's it.
I don't believe that, bro. I think y'all, bro.
So like I already told you, man, I already said I can work with you for just the open container.
Can my sister pull up?
No, that's a safety concern, man.
I'm
it's
really
dark out. She's just
my life.
For what, dude?
For what? Y'all watch the news? Y'all know? Y'all see what's going on in the world?
Okay. Listen,
we're human beings having a conversation with you.
I've been nothing but respectful to you. You've been respectful to me so far. I appreciate it.
Right.
But now I need you to cooperate.
Listen, we need you to step out of the car right now.
Okay? Bro, y'all is scaring the f*** out of me.
The fact that you're not cooperating is leading me to start to think that there might be something else that's going on. There's nothing going on.
I don't give a f*** about the car.
Well, that's great, man. Let us conduct our business and we can get you on your way. All right?
Hey, y'all shut the f*** up, man.
Okay. I don't know how to explain it any clearer.
Bro. Can we pull it to a main street?
You're on a main street. We've probably been passed by 100 cars. So here's the deal. All right, Mr. Whiteside, for right now, interlace your fingers, put your hands on top of your head. All right?
Yeah, he had an open container in the car. Refused to get out of the car several times. Speeds are 60 going southbound on Brown Street. Traffic's light and yielding, still westbound on East South Street, approaching Grand.
Hey, what do you guys go that way? All right, 11, I have a description of that male. He's a black male, thin build, light skin, tattoos on his face. He's wearing a black winter hat, and he has some sort of red sweatshirt on, black pants, I believe. When asked about firearms, he was real hesitant to answer, and then as we went to get him out of the car, he refused to do so. So just be advised, he may be armed. Is somebody running over there?
I can't see.
Nope, somebody's running.
Per one, we had one male running under the bridge, northbound. He's running this way. He's gonna be somewhere under this bridge or near to it, northbound. He saw him running. You see him?
Yeah. Hey, where did you last see him at? Hey, car 3 just said he's running up the hill. I don't know what hill.
You see him? That's not him, is it? No. What hill are they talking about?
I don't know. He ran this way across the street as the person we saw. That's the only thing I told them, and then they said something about a hill.
Are you f***ing kidding me?
I don't know where the f*** they went, dude. Where are they? No idea. God damn it.
We got it, not a copy. You're needed at Brown and Johnson for hit due to this chase.
Guys are down there. Face down, motherfucker, right now! Face down, motherfucker! Copy. Copy. Got it.
Who needs a breath? Who needs a breath?
Nobody.
All right.
Brandon is finally taken into custody, and just as it seems the situation is under control, his family members arrive, making the situation a lot worse.
I just want to know.
No, absolutely you don't. You have to leave.
All right, look, no, you go.
You're obstructing traffic.
Okay, well, I'm gonna just meet you at the gym.
Absolutely you can.
Okay, I'll meet you at the gym.
Can we know what happened though?
Yeah, he took off from us on a chase.
Where is that now?
So why
He's
can't
in a cruiser.
Can we at least get his car?
Absolutely not. It's disabled, destroyed. So you guys have to move the car away from the streets. So you're not
move
obstructing
the
traffic.
car.
And you have
I'm allowed to be here.
No, you have to step off the road. Thank
Well,
you.
okay, I'm allowed.
Unfortunately, the family's antics are just beginning.
Put your feet. You got anything that's on you? I'll open that quickly.
Hold on, man. 1 second.
Man. Hey, can I go one more time through this thing? Go ahead. I got still hook chains to everything. Yep, appreciate you, man.
Thank you.
Don Julio. Tequila.
Alright.
What's that? Hey, stop, man. Come on. I'm gonna read your rights right now, okay? You got the right to.
13, did you copy?
I still gotta read them to you, bro. So just be quiet. What? I mean, why are you saying that, man? They obviously handcuffed you. You're in the back of the cruiser. Stop. You're being dramatic now. You're the one that ran. Why are you scared? They asked you to get out. If you would have done that, it would have been way easier. Well, for right now, you're being arrested for definitely obstructing. That I know, but I'm not the initial officer. Well, if you're a good dude, why'd you run?
Look at what happened. You ran, we caught you, and you're still fine in the back seat. So So apparently you have some kind of misconception.
What's up, man? What's going on? You feel like you're dying? Why do you feel like you're dying? Tell us what happened?
What's going on with my cousin?
Hey,
Is you okay?
is you good, bro?
Did they jump on you?
Listen,
I think they gonna do something to me, bro.
Would you, Brandon, stop? Brandon, knock it off. Brandon, knock it off.
He's under arrest. That's all you need to know, okay?
What did he do? What
He
did you
ran
do?
from the police. He ran from the police. What are you, an attorney?
I want to know what's going on. I just want to make sure I can't cross the line.
I don't want to arrest you for obstructing.
How am I expressing? How am I expressing?
I told you down there, I was polite, professional, explained to you what's going on.
I'm not even in the car.
Please, I'm begging
Where you
you.
want me to go? Right there? I can stay right here, though.
No.
Let's go to this block. Why do we gotta
Clear the scene. I'm not worrying about you behind your back. The officers have to do their job
I'm not
safely.
doing nothing to
Your
you. I'm
family,
just
please watch them up there.
Okay, I'm gonna watch it
Can we watch
right
right
here.
here?
No,
What is
right
it, like
up there.
5 feet,
Sir,
10 feet, 15
sir,
feet?
Why is it an
Please don't
ambulance?
make
He
me
hurt?
arrest you.
I'm not trying to
Please
make
don't make me
it.
arrest
You're making it hard
You're
for me.
obstructing official business.
How?
Please just go up the street and watch from a safe distance.
How
Okay,
am
we're
I?
gonna watch
This
it right
is
here.
safe.
We're gonna watch it right here.
Please, just
So
up
where
there.
is this safe? This is right up there. Right where? This is safe. No. You're making it unsafe by following me. You're making it unsafe. Look,
We
don't
gonna go
touch me.
past the police.
Why are you trying to touch me?
We gonna go right here.
Get
We
away
right
from me.
here.
Right, you're making
We right
it unsafe
here.
for me.
We none of yours
I'm trying to
business.
figure
We
out
right
what's
here.
going on. I want to
What
make
do you
sure
want
my
now?
I got more than one
Okay,
question.
did I tell you he was okay 6 times?
But why
Let
is
me
it
tell
an
you something.
ambulance
He's
is here?
okay.
Why is it
But why is it
Check
an
him out.
ambulance? Okay.
Why? Okay, you didn't say that. You didn't say. No, you didn't. You walked away. I tried to talk to another officer. You said he couldn't talk to me, and you got it on camera, right? And you got it on camera, right? You're supposed to protect the car, right? All right. Well, look. At this point, I didn't do anything wrong.
Not yet.
I'm on public property.
Okay, well you have because you're not
What did
listening to what I
do?
tell you.
No, I'm trying to figure out what's going on with my brother.
Look,
I just want to watch.
You can't figure out why you're talking and yelling at me.
Why are you
If you want
talking
to
to me? That's your
understand,
problem
if
over
you want to
there.
understand, you gotta listen.
Can you get, you're making it unsafe. You keep getting closer to me. You're getting closer to me. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to get closer.
You don't want to talk to me? That's fine.
Exactly. And I
Okay.
want to stay
Okay.
right here.
Yeah, stay right there.
Okay.
8 officers. All right, guys, let's go.
What'd you say?
He's worried that you're going to do something to him. Try to explain it. He's cuffed in the back of the car. He's safe.
It's childish, man. You're all right.
brought on alcohol in your system.
And nothing's going to happen. Things get stupid or silly when you're running. It gets scary. You make a movement they don't see, something like that. You can't do that right now, man. You're good.
Why are you just coming closer, man? Because you keep walking this way.
I'm walking back to
You were told to stay in front of the ambulance, weren't you?
All right, I'm not staying nowhere over here. I'm walking this way. I'm walking back towards my car, man. I'm going this way.
All right, stay on the
Why you
sidewalk.
going in my face and shit, doing all that?
Because you were told several times to stay
But I
up there.
can't walk
I just want to
past.
say one thing.
I can't walk past.
If I have to tell you one more time, you're
Man,
going to be placed
try to
under
cover you
arrest.
up for what?
If you come back on the scene one more time, you're
Come
going to
back
be
on the
placed
scene,
under
I'm allowed
arrest.
to
Keep
arrest.
walking.
I'm not interfering. I'm not interfering.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. How am I interfering?
Keep going.
How am I interfering? You don't have to walk me going. What's your name? What's your name? No, you're doing silly because I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with my brother. I'm trying to figure out what happened to my brother. And I'm trying to make sure he's okay.
I told you he's okay.
No, I'm not listening to you. But every
Just
time,
where I
every
tell you
time I
to.
try
Now
to
walking
see,
up on
every
the
time I try to see,
Okay, so you stay
turn that off. You get in my way.
There's no need to use profanity.
Look,
out there.
why you still following me
Because
though?
we just want
I'm
you to
nowhere
stay
near
safe.
you guys. Why are y'all messing with me, man? You all getting on my nerves.
Did you try to move this?
Yeah, I tried to move it. It won't start.
Oh, it's not starting. It's just not even turning on. Okay. Do you guys have like AAA or anything like that?
No, you got AAA?
We can tow it for you, but if you... Oh, your airbags went off?
Yeah, the side airbags. That's
Okay.
what I'm saying.
All right. No, you're good, man. You're good.
Is he gonna have to pay for this though?
I mean, yeah, I assume. Our traffic unit will explain this to you when he gets out here. He's on his way out here right now. Hey, do you have...
I got license.
No, you're good with that, man. I'm not worried about that. His airbags went off, so he can't drive it anyways. Do you...
Holoco, because it's in the middle.
Okay, we're gonna have to tow it, okay? Alright, I'll let you know once we figure out the tow, I'll let you know where it's going, okay? Where does your mom live at?
My mom was in Cleveland, bro.
She lives in Cleveland?
Yeah.
Where were you going?
I was dashing, bro.
Oh, you're door dashing? Can I get your license from you real quick? Hey, are you good, man? Do you need EMS or anything?
I'm just worried about my mom.
Alright,
They already know who hit it, so like I don't know what to do, bro. Like I literally just went through the same situation, bro. But somebody like I got in an accident.
Close the door here and step out of the way.
Yeah, we don't want you getting hit again.
Hey, you can close that real fast.
Okay, yeah, no worries.
Hey, Brandon. What's up, dude? You remember us, right? Don't even what? Because that was pretty stupid. I ain't doing nothing to you, man. That's why I'm over here. I'm giving you your space. Is that fair?
378.
Alright, well listen, man. My name's Officer Phillips. You already met my partner, Officer Spratt. We're the ones that stopped you. Alright? So listen, dude. You made that so much worse for you than it needed to be. I'm just gonna be completely honest with you, man to man.
I'm not trust y'all, bro.
So be it. It doesn't give you the right to endanger other people's lives. Is that fair? Because that was stupid. I think my partner read you your rights. You understand them, correct? You wish to speak with us at this time? You wish to speak? It's a yes or no question. Is that okay if I ask you some questions?
Questions about what?
About what happened tonight.
I thought y'all was gonna kill me. I still feel that way.
Okay, well you're in handcuffs right now. Nobody's gonna kill you.
You know how many people died in the hands of y'all?
Alright, have a good night.
Yeah.
Brandon was charged with failure to comply, obstruction, possession of marijuana, and possession of an open container of liquor while operating a vehicle. He is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.